Brainy CRK they solve Rubik's cubes. They are brainy. Brainy CRK. Brainy CRK. Pararara. Yes, yes.
Toss out to do, man. Toss out to do. Can't do.
Leave, give Brainy CRK since it's his video.
I'll let him win now.
Ah.
Bye, man.
Bye lesson.
What is the winner? That is special guest today.
Yes, yes, yes.
Who will be chilling to
Yes.
Okay. Okay, toss it, please. I will toss. Okay, you saw that.
Yeah, we saw.
I choose this code. Which note is that?
Show the note.
How is that? Last number 3. Oh, that one. Okay, apparently I lost the match fixing and all.
CSK, bro, CSK.
I choose this code. Okay, play. You know, I don't care. What is the winning score you tell? Huh? What score do you all want?
69. No, wait.
21.
21. No, wait. This guy is tired. No, we'll give 15.
No, I'm tired.
Proper rules.
Referee for today is Bhuvan Shekhar Mulia.
Wait. Before we'll get little background. We'll get from Bhuvan Shekhar. Yes, sir. Give us your background, sir. Sir, you go to Gold Gym now, sir.
Flex little.
Little show your muscles, little. See.
Sikandar gut, see.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You start playing.
You make the rules firstly. If it touches that,
Wait, yeah.
Yeah. Before.
sound is in.
Then the other person will get the point.
Okay. See, if you hit it there, I'll get the point.
If you hit it there, anywhere I'll get a point.
Let's only if it hits this cage, I'll get a point. Otherwise, this.
That is so cruel.
This cage, if it hits point, not there.
You only chose the code, not my fault.
That's unfair, bro.
See, if it hits here, then you get a point. No problem. But if it hits the cage,
Match fixing is happening here.
okay, play.
That makes no sense.
See, if you hit it and it comes and hits here, you usually get a point.
Oh, okay.
But if it's the cage, I get a point.
Only the case. And if you hit there, I'll get a point.
Yeah. Even if you hit it. Oh, then for you. Okay. Huh? Should we switch course after the win point? Okay. And if we decides. Who's serving? You want to serve?
Mr. Bhuvan Shekhar Mulia is doing the honors.
That's all the rules.
Yes. And the play commences. Brainy CRK, Advik Hegde, Brainy CRK, Advik Hegde, Brainy CRK, Advik Hegde, Brainy CRK with a toss, and a volley, and a toss, and a volley, and a smash, a volley.
Hey, yours.
1-0, 1-0.
Who got one? I got one.
I'm letting him win as well.
Yes. We have to give him pity.
Air Force, bro.
Air Force came. Very 20. Very 20.
No. Air Force. You said Air Force.
Rematch.
What rematch? 1-0.
Yes, 1-0, whatever. Advik Abhyudit Sitaram. Two zero. Advik is letting him win. Oh, it went up. Where did it go? Brainy CRK is trying to remove it.
You pushed it, bro. Bro, till where you pushed it?
What?
Wait.
It's literally there. It's right here. Is this in the video, bro?
Yes. We have to show the ball removal process. Yes. Beautiful.
Ball removal, it said.
Cock removal. Cock removal sounds worse.
Hello, pointing.
Yeah, point.
That and all, more like. Bro. Let's see score. What? 3-1. Myself, see?
I'm not done.
He's hitting the cock. He also hits the cock. He's hitting more cocks. Wow, out.
3-2.
3-2. Oh, under leg. Sadly, style went.
Style you want to
See. Selena Gomez. Wait, no, it's Serena Williams, sorry. Whatever. Ball is ball.
Score it.
Score, you got score. 4-3.
No, it's not even done. So serious.
Yeah, bro.
Videos you crop so much. As you should. No. What the nonsense, dude.
Yes.
You think you're smart,
Oh. Nice. They're trying to interfere with referee. Brainy CRK with a brainy move. Brainy moves.
It's coming to my face, I can't resist. Michael. Oh, first time.
Oof. Where did it go? Yes.
His fault.
Yes. Totally know whose fault it is.
Cockboy.
Yes. Referee / cockboy.
Adelaide.
Yes.
What airport?
Hey, what? They literally no Air Force. Literally no Air Force. Liar CRK. Liar.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Angry CRK. Oh, hitting CRK. Yeah. Hitting CRK.
You'll make me laugh. I thought
We made him laugh.
Yeah. Scammer CRK. J CRK hit. Beautiful. Where did it? It went then. Reserve, man, pedda. Reserve.
I get a point. We give him a point.
Okay, we'll give. Sorry, I was busy focusing on our referee.
Hey,
It came down.
it didn't come down.
Wait, oh, there's another cock there.
You won't get it.
Wait, you record, I'll remove.
Oh, hello friends. We have Sheikh Mohammed Nihan. He's going for the cock.
You can't get
He can't get his cock. His cock is stuck up there.
You cannot get it.
Nihan, get your cock, man. He's trying to get his cock.
Cannot get it.
His cock is too far away for him to hold it. He can't get a grip of his cock.
Bro,
He's trying his best to get his cock. He can't get his cock. It's too big for him. I mean, too far for him. He tried stabbing his cock, but he couldn't get his cock still. This is some brainy CRK going for it. Sadly, he's not smart CRK. Nehan is absolutely missing his cock. But sure.
Let's just play. There are 2 cocks here, man. Let's just play.
Chirantan complains about too many cocks here. Someone needs to get him some help. Sadly, Nehan can't get his cock, so we're going to get back to the game. No, leave it. It's fine. He says one last and still doesn't get his cock back. That is just depressing at this point. He still can't get his cock. He's not even touching his own cock. It's so far away. Oh, he pushed his cock further away. Yep, there's no recovering from that.
A few moments later.
4-5. Hey, shut up, man. 4-5.
Stop the video.
You are 4. He's 5.
9-7, referee said.
Okay, 9-7. Whatever.
Oh, he wants points. 9-8. Yeah, 9-8. Right up.
9-8. Whatever. I don't have dignity anymore.
Hey, 9-8. You my 8. Your referee has to get up. Shamelessly brains like making referee get up from his place now.
Yes.
Nonsense.
Scammy CRK.
Before we went for break and all, he hit me and all.
CC. Animal abuse is happening.
See, I'm giving him points.
Donate Advik Hegde.
It went 10-8.
Reserve.
I'm removing this.
Sad. Cut the cameras.
That's record. I can show it. So, 11 each.
Hey, it's 12.
11 each, man. Ask him. What do you do? 2.0.
Reserve.
Out my name.
Okay.
Down. It hits the down part.
Advik is doing scam, okay, little. Just now you see, even referee agreed with me. Yeah, no referee? Say, you agreed, no?
Referee wants him to win, that's why he said.
Okay.
Yes.
Points. 15 to win. Yeah. Booty CRK. Booty CRK. Same booty. Beautiful. Which? Oh, Ronaldo. Points. Yeah, he got points. Lasit Malinga style.
No, Air Force. It literally went like that. Air Force. Hey, bro, there's literally...
Now Air Force is coming. Now Air Force is coming. Right now it came. Now it came, bro. That time when for him it was there, that time it was not there. Okay. Scam me CRK.
Then give points.
Okay. 14-13. Points. 15-13. 15-13.
Out of the stadium, there's no...
Where did it go?
It went down.
Where?
Here, down.
Where?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Points for Advik. Intense match.
Oh shit.
Go, we'll call Jonathan now.
Yeah, first
can get this. 16-14. 15. Record.
I am recording.
5 points to it.
4 points to win for 5 points to win for Chirantan, 6 points to win for Advik. Intense matches. This video is sponsored by Chirantan's Booty. Huh? Honey also. Also Kama Sutram also. Kam Sutram, sorry. Intense. Hardcore and intense. Point for CRK. Now we change camera angles.
Hand is paining, man.
Should I start?
He's doing Indian toilet style.
Yo!
Okay, start.
That we don't
Okay, bro.
Start. Start. See, Advik's fans and all are cheering for him.
Sorry.
Again, lead I got 3 points.
I did left hand.
Play.
Don't do that. Then you tell like
That's the point, no.
1915.
Damn. Chirantan is beating up Advik. Like he beats his meat.
Oh, beautiful!
With injured leg, bro.
Then what? Indian toilet style.
A few moments later.
Yes. His fans and all are there, you see. Fans and all are there. Start. Where?
I thought you hit it, man.
Where?
There. I thought you hit it. I'm like, where? I can't see the ball coming towards me.
Oh,
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Bro, what's that Air Force? Bro, I went there.
where? Where it went?
He's done it again! That is a foul! You fucking little bastard! He does it He's done it again! You dirty bastard! You
That is inside. That's point for Advik. Advik serve. Advik, Chirantan wins.
Wait, ask his thoughts.
What are your thoughts?
What are your thoughts?
What are your thoughts?
Thoughtlessness, nothingness. It's all over.
Yes, referee. Okay.
There's nothingness. It's all over.
And now we'll speak to our
Referee has to give. Referee match thought. Yes. Yes. Yes.
And with Jim rules.
Yes.
I would like to give Brain CRK this
Thank you. I am very good.
Beautiful. Hey. Play outro.
Yes. Ready CRK. Then
Pass that back to the gang of boys. Let's